Hello everybody, it's Gabe Salinas at Window Ninjas. I'm out here today in Wilmington, North Carolina. Beautiful home in Landfall. We're doing a multitude of services from pressure washing to gutter cleaning. We're even going to clean the windows on this house. You can see our team is fully insured and bonded. We're always in uniform, and you can see from the looks of our trucks, it's clearly logoed so you know who's on your property. So being insured and bonded, knowing who's on your property, and being in full uniform is super important. It keeps you safe, keeps our guys safe, and it provides you the customer service and the quality that you deserve. Give our team a call today and let us provide gutter cleaning, pressure washing, or even window cleaning for your home today. We can be reached at 910-538-4223, or you can reach us online at www.windowninjas.com. Call us today, let us help you. Keep shining.